Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning how to log in to your Capital One credit card account. You can either use the Capital One website or the Capital One mobile app. To log in to the Capital One website, you go to the Capital One website in your preferred browser. I've opened Google Chrome, then I'm going to press enter on capitalone.com. You can simply allow yourself to do a Google search, and the first link that pops up, you select it. Then at the top right corner, you see the option of signing in. You click on it. Then you'll be led to another page such as this, where you enter your username and your password. And then if you want them to remember your username and your password, you press on Remember Me. If you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click or tap the forgotten username or password link that is below the login box on the Capital One website. You will then be prompted to enter your email address or click or tap submit. Capital One will then send you an email with instructions on how to reset your username or password. If you are trying to log in with your Capital One mobile app, you simply install the app from the App Store, open the app, and then you will be provided with this page that pops up where it is similar to the web browser, so you can simply enter your username, enter your password, and then if you want them to remember your username or password for simple login in the future, you can simply press on Remember Me or enable this option and then simply press on Sign In. The same with forgot username or password. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps to create your Capital One credit card account. Thank you.